Zoom.com helps you say, I love you this Valentine's Day. Zoom.com, I love it.
Hi, ako si Luz Foley. Magandang hapon sa inyo. Binabati ko mga mahal ko sa buhay. Ang aking 5 anak, si Joel, si John, si Andrea, si Jocelyn, at si Jeffrey. At ang aking 13 apo. Binabati ko rin po ang aking mga kamag-anak sa San Andres at ganun din po sa kamag-anak ko sa lugar ng mister ko sa Roas City, Bailan, Pontevedra. We greet you all happy Valentine and hope you're all having fun.
Zoom.com helps you say, I love you this Valentine's Day. Zoom.com, I love it.
And it's not just Heart Month for February, it's also Love Month for the whole of February. And you may have heard the news, seen the news, read about it. Manny Pacquiao, our Filipino boxing champion, got all the love from the White House, meeting with Barack Obama, the President of the United States. Pero not too long ago, was it actually last week, he had a press conference at nakausap po natin si Manny Pacquiao. And here's what he had to say about his upcoming fight against Sugar Shane Mosley.
All right, Manny, last time Margarito fight, you said it was the hardest fight of your career. Pero ito, malaki na naman, mas mabilis pa. Bakit uulit ka na naman?
Malaki na naman, maganda yun. Malaki na. Kailangan nating paghandaan to at siyempre si Mosley, 3-time world champion din yan. At kailangan nating paghandaan mabuti at huwag nating underestimate at magaling din na boksingero. At si Margarito, ninakaut nga niya si Margarito. So, hindi natin pwedeng imaliitin at kailangan paghandaan natin at 100% condition tayo sa May 7.
What do you say to people that are saying na hindi to para sa country, para sa pera to?
No, sa akin naman is my always concern is how can I entertain people and how to make them happy. Sa akin, hindi sa pera kundi sa karangalan ng bansa at karangalan ng mga manonood na mapasaya ko sila.
Of course, we all know that 8th Division boxing champion Manny Pacquiao is not just a boxing champion, he also is the honorable congressman from Sarangani. Indeed, he has really transcended, he has gone beyond the Philippines, he has gone beyond the sport of boxing. At pagkatapos po ng kanyang pagbisita sa Pangulo ng Estados Unidos na si Barack Obama, there are talks now that they are saying that Manny may be playing with Justin Bieber and Usher sa Celebrity Edition ng NBA All-Star games na mangyayari po this weekend dito sa Staples Center. So aabangan din po natin kung ano ang mangyayari dyan. Meanwhile, I'm sure inaabangan nyo din kung meron po ba tayong gagawin for the Grammys. The Grammys, of course, happened last Sunday dito po sa Los Angeles. And because this is the show that connects you to Hollywood and to your Filipino-American community, we are doing something. We are doing a critique on Friday. Abangan nyo po yan. And we'll be highlighting a kababayan jewelry designer as well. So magkita-kita po tayo ulit. For now, this has been Janelle So, your kababayan in Los Angeles. I'll see you again tomorrow.